In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to karaoke on Spotify. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. The tutorial works with the mobile app because it puts everything you need on one screen, so go ahead and launch it. Next, head to Search. Tap the Search tab at the bottom, then type the word karaoke or type the name of your favorite song followed by the word karaoke. This helps you find versions that are designed for singing along, either instrumental or with light backing vocals to guide you. Now choose a track from the results. Look for titles or descriptions that say karaoke, instrumental, or backing track. When you've picked one, tap play to start the music. To make it easy to follow along, open the Now Playing screen. Tap the song bar at the bottom of the app to expand it so you can see all the playback options. From here, enable lyrics. Scroll down until you reach the lyrics section. If you see a preview, tap More to view the full lyrics. On many tracks, the words will highlight in real time as the song progresses, which is perfect for staying on beat. Time to sing. Watch the lines as they move with the music and sing along just like you would at a karaoke bar. If you miss a line, don't worry. Keep your eyes on the current highlight and jump back in on the next phrase. A few quick tips to make it feel more like a real karaoke session. Pick instrumental or karaoke versions if you want little to no lead vocals competing with your voice. For bigger sound, connect your phone to a speaker so the music fills the room. Even a small Bluetooth speaker can make a big difference. If you have a microphone, pair it with your speaker setup for that authentic karaoke vibe at home. A couple of important notes before you get started. Not every song on Spotify has lyrics available. If you don't see the lyrics section on the Now Playing screen, that track may not support it yet. Also, some versions still include the original vocals. If you want the cleanest backing, look for tracks labeled karaoke or instrumental. And that's it. You're ready to host a sing along, practice your favorite tunes, or just have some fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Spotify tips and tutorials.